2024 Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to take you on an exciting journey, exploring every aspect of this cutting-edge 2024 Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV. From its stunning exterior design to its high-tech interior, powerful specs, pricing details, and more, we've got it all covered. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV embodies a new era of luxury electric vehicles, seamlessly merging elegance with advanced electric technology. With its striking design, sumptuous interior, and cutting-edge features, this SUV represents the pinnacle of sophistication and innovation, redefining the standards for premium electric SUVs. Exploring the 2024 Mercedes-Benz EQS exterior. The exterior design of the 2024 Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV epitomizes modern luxury and aerodynamic efficiency. Embracing the brand's signature aesthetics, this SUV blends elegance with futuristic elements, setting it apart in the electric SUV market. At first glance, the EQS SUV captivates with its sleek and sculpted body lines. The front fascia features a distinctive black panel grille flanked by LED headlights, giving the vehicle a bold and dynamic appearance. The smooth profile seamlessly integrates aerodynamic principles, promoting efficiency while enhancing the SUV's visual appeal. The vehicle's silhouette exudes sophistication, characterized by a sloping roofline and smooth contours that not only contribute to its striking aesthetics, but also aid in reducing wind resistance. The absence of traditional door handles emphasizes the vehicle's streamlined look, showcasing an innovative approach to design. Furthermore, the EQS SUV exhibits a captivating rear design with full-width LED taillights that create a visually stunning light signature, accentuating the vehicle's width and providing a futuristic appeal. 2024 Mercedes-Benz EQS Interior Tour. Stepping into the interior of the 2024 Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV feels like entering a lavish sanctuary that seamlessly merges opulence with technological innovation. The cabin exudes an aura of sophistication, draped in premium materials and boasting meticulous craftsmanship. The EQS SUV's interior architecture is a marvel in itself, featuring a minimalist design that emphasizes clean lines and a sense of spaciousness. The absence of clutter accentuates the feeling of openness, creating an inviting atmosphere for both driver and passengers. Upon entering, occupants are greeted by an expansive digital dashboard, a sweeping hyperscreen that seamlessly integrates three displays into a single curved panel. This futuristic centerpiece unifies the instrument cluster, infotainment system, and climate controls, providing a visually stunning and highly intuitive interface. The seats are a testament to comfort and luxury, upholstered in exquisite materials and meticulously designed for ergonomic support during long journeys. Advanced ambient lighting further elevates the ambience, allowing passengers to tailor the mood inside the cabin. Throughout the interior, the EQS SUV showcases thoughtful details that enhance convenience and comfort. From customizable settings for individual preferences to an array of connectivity options and cutting-edge driver assistance features, every element is meticulously crafted to redefine the luxury SUV experience. This interior exemplifies Mercedes-Benz's commitment to blending timeless elegance with the forefront of automotive technology. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz EQS advantages. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz EQS presents a plethora of advantages that redefine the landscape of luxury electric vehicles. Setting itself apart in the competitive market, this model embodies the pinnacle of automotive excellence in various aspects. Mercedes-Benz's latest technological advancements are seamlessly integrated into the EQS. It features an expansive infotainment system, intuitive driver assistance features, and futuristic interior design elements that epitomize innovation and convenience. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the interior of the EQS redefines opulence. A spacious, beautifully appointed cabin filled with high-quality materials, modern aesthetics, and innovative technology elevates the driving experience to new heights of comfort and luxury. Exceptional handling and a serene driving experience are trademarks of the EQS. Its cutting-edge chassis and suspension systems ensure a smooth ride, providing a perfect blend of comfort and agility, whether cruising on highways or navigating through city streets. With a strong emphasis on safety, the EQS incorporates a suite of advanced safety technologies and driver assistance systems, offering peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. The EQS stands out with its distinctive and striking exterior design. The sleek aerodynamic profile not only enhances the vehicle's efficiency, but also makes a bold statement on the road, embodying Mercedes-Benz's design philosophy. Pricing. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV lineup, where luxury meets electrification in an unparalleled driving experience. The EQS 450 Plus Premium, starting at $106,000, embodies sophistication and innovation at an attractive price point. With its refined design and cutting-edge features, this model offers an entry into the world of premium electric SUVs without compromising on style or technology. For those seeking the pinnacle of luxury and performance, the EQS 584 Matic exclusive model, priced at $132,000, elevates the experience to extraordinary heights. This top-tier variant not only exudes opulence but also boasts an impressive array of premium amenities and advanced technological innovations. From its elegant design to its state-of-the-art features, this exclusive model sets new standards in the realm of luxury electric vehicles. Both variants of the 2024 Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV promise a harmonious blend of futuristic technology, refined craftsmanship, and a driving experience that transcends conventional expectations. Whether opting for the premium EQS 450 Plus or the exclusive EQS 584 Matic, Mercedes-Benz ensures that every dollar spent translates into an exceptional ownership journey defined by luxury, sophistication, and an electrifying driving experience. Long-term ownership. Owning the 2024 Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV promises an extraordinary long-term experience defined by reliability, innovation, and unparalleled luxury. As a flagship electric SUV from Mercedes-Benz, its advantages extend far beyond the initial purchase. Firstly, the EQS SUV's advanced electric drivetrain is designed for longevity, offering reduced maintenance needs compared to traditional internal combustion engines. With fewer moving parts and simplified mechanics, the vehicle requires less frequent servicing, contributing to lower long-term ownership costs. Mercedes-Benz's commitment to innovation and technology ensures that the EQS SUV remains relevant and up-to-date for years to come. Its cutting-edge software systems and over-the-air updates guarantee continuous improvements in performance, features, and even safety measures, keeping the vehicle at the forefront of technological advancements throughout its lifespan. In the end, this visionary SUV isn't just a testament to Mercedes-Benz's commitment to innovation and refinement. It represents a pinnacle of automotive excellence. With its captivating blend of timeless design, cutting-edge technology, and uncompromising luxury, the EQS SUV bids farewell, promising a future where electric mobility seamlessly intertwines with sophistication and comfort. That is the wrap-up of the comprehensive review of the 2024 Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. And please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing for more exciting content. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing you in our future videos.